Guys, good morning, happy Sunday. It's your girl Latoya K, and I'm here with a cooking video. Come and cook Sunday dinner with me. Today I'll be making some brown stew fish, fried chicken, rice and peas, mashed potatoes with sweet corn, and a little fresh vegetable. So come along, get around, get your plates and get everything. Sunday dinner I gonna make. Okay guys, so I am washing my pea, prepping it to get it cooked. Normally Jamaicans soak their peas from overnight. I do it sometimes I don't. Guys, wash the peas until it's clean. To the peas, I'll be adding a few seeds of pimento. I like a lot of pimento in my rice and peas. I'll be adding some salt. I'll be adding some salt. This is salt rice. Yeah, I'll be adding some salt. And I'll also be adding a little garlic. I'm adding 4 cloves of garlic because I love the flavor that it gives, and also it will help to let the peas cook a little faster, since I did not soak the peas from overnight. Okay, so I'll be doing also I'll be adding a little vegetable oil. So here I'm adding a little vegetable oil to the peas. So I've added salt, pimento seed, garlic, and a little vegetable oil. Now I'm going to set that on the stove to I'm gonna allow the peas to cook for like an hour or until it's cooked. While my peas is being cooked, I'm prepping my vegetables. I'll be using some cucumber, 1 tomato, and lettuce. Guys, market is so bad because of Hurricane Beryl. Everything is so expensive, you can hardly get anything. Because yesterday I went to the market, I went late anyway, to my local market that I normally go to. Why I did not get any sweet pepper. When I went, plantain was finished. I was so upset. But anyway, I'm gonna prep for the raw vegetable now. Just a little simple salad, lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. I'm gonna make a little fried chicken today. This has already been seasoned for a couple of days now and put in the fridge. I just took it out and thawed it. I seasoned it with a little onion, garlic, scallion, blended, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, chicken season, all-purpose season, and paprika. Now I'm going to add an egg. Here guys, so I'm adding an egg and I'm going to mix in this egg. I'm going to work in the egg. This egg allows for the flour to stick better onto the chicken. Okay guys, so this is my seasoned flour. I seasoned my flour in a bag so it's easier. I can just throw away this bag when I'm finished because I'm not going to reuse whatever flour is yet left. So in this flour I have the same seasons that I use to season the chicken. All-purpose chicken season, salt, black pepper, a little baking powder. I'm just shaking it up, shaking it up, shaking it up, shaking it up. I'm gonna put in my chicken now. Put it in the wing, thigh, leg, and a little piece of breast because I like to mix everything. I don't like to fry it like I'm shaking it up, shaking it up, shaking it up, shaking it up, shaking it up to make sure it's all coated with the flour. Some people dip, then them dip in a water, then them dip in a egg, and then them. I can't bother with all that. Just put it in the bag, shake it up, shake it up. Yep, that's all I do. Waiting on the oil to hot. As soon as the oil is hot, I'm gonna add my chicken. Don't wash the black pot, traditional Jamaican black pot, yeah. Passed down from generation to generation. My peas is cooking. I'm gonna add a little cold water in the peas to sink the peas. I don't know if you don't know about that, but when I sink the peas, I think the peas cook quicker. That's just my thought. I don't know about anyone else, but it's tested and tried for me. When you sink the peas, it cooks quicker. Okay, so here I'm going to sink my peas. All I'm going to do is add some cold water to it. Adding cold, you notice all the peas that were floating on the top has sunk to the bottom. Okay, so I'm just going to let it finish cook right now. Okay. My rice and peas. Here I have some coconut powder milk. I have scallion, thyme, hot scotch bonnet, green, 2 leaves of cinnamon. I also have my gold seal butter and my chiffon butter. I have my Maggi all-purpose. I have my cayenne pepper, and I'll add a little more salt if it needs it. When you're seasoning your rice and peas, guys, you taste and you add season as you want to your taste, okay? I give my coconut powder and my season time to simmer together. When you wait till the peas done cook and then you season the pot, the peas are gonna mash out too much. Me no want the peas to softy. I want when time the rice and peas done cook, me see peas in it. You understand? So season up your pot when the peas is halfway cooked. I'm sweating. This kitchen is super hot. The fried chickens are looking lovely. They're almost ready to come out. Guys, my might not can dance, my might not can sing, but you see when it come on to cooking, don't play with me. What did I say? My ear one though, it's with me. Okay guys, so I'm just putting the final set of chicken in the pot. But look at this first egg. Look upon the color upon them chicken here. Look at the color on this chicken. Perfect. KFC could never. Popeyes could never. So here are my seasons that I will be using in my brown stew fish. I have the thyme right here, so I have my okra, I have my scallion, I have my sweet pepper, garlic, onion, hot pepper, and carrots. I would normally put Irish in my brown stew fish, but because I'm going to make Irish doing a kitchen a fry fish. Look at me effect. You see a girl at work. If I one thing I like do in a kitchen a fry fish. But anyway, a girl have to do what a girl have to do, right? So let's go. So to the fish oil I'm going to add a few cloves of garlic. To flavor up the oil. I also got to add pepper to make them go and do them thing in the oil. Make them go and do them thing in the oil. Make the oil well hot. That's the key to frying fish, guys. The oil after well. Alright, so in a trouble the fish them just go stick up in the pot and broke up. And we don't want to broke up fish. We want nice, perfectly fried fish. Okay, so make sure your oil well. I'm going to turn them. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay guys, come into this. I just turn it on back because I got the rice now. It did cook, the peas did cook long time. I'm gonna turn it off because I'm never ready to add the rice. But now I'm ready to add the rice. Guys, look at this. How do you know that the peas is cooked? You see that? You see the peas them burst open? The peas them burst open. And even the ones that don't burst open, when you go so with them, you see them mash out, right? The peas is cooked. Okay. Taking out the fish now. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Perfection. I'm gonna add the last 2 fishes so that they can fry. I have garlic, all-purpose seasoning, salt, water, and I'm just gonna allow this to boil for my mashed potato. Guys, me I make the video here from now before I done cook. I have pear. Guys, if you don't see pear in the plate, that means I forgot to use the plate, guys. So if you don't see the pear